Omar from Argentina is asking, why does the Creator turn us to wicked, make us wicked?
It's the advantage of light from darkness. If we don't discover darkness, we won't discover light. We have to go over all the discernments that are the opposite of the Creator in order to reveal Him fully.
A student from Europe is asking, is it possible to ask for the light of faith in order to succeed to be in a prayer for the friends?
To succeed?
Can we ask for the light of faith so that we can succeed in being in a prayer for the friends?
Yes, of course. Of course, of course. This is very important.
Sergei from Moscow is asking, what enables you to acquire the light of faith that enables you to stay on the path?
Think about it. When I think of it, it's a prayer already. The force of faith is the force of bestowal. When I can bestow to someone, that's called, I have the force of faith. I have the force of Bina. Faith is Bina. That's a light that comes from above. It shines, and it gives a person the ability to be above his ego. This force is called the force of faith.
Scott from North Carolina is asking, is an effective, useful prayer for the group is only when you feel lesser, that you feel you don't get any pleasure from this prayer for yourself?
No, you can be less than the group, the rest of the group in your feelings, or more than the group, and of these 2 points you can pray for them.
How to correctly use envy, yearning, and honor in a spiritual group, asks Robert.
This is great kind of teaching. You should try to activate them in all the different ways, the envy, lust, and honor. The main thing is the envy. That's the biggest incentive. Why? Because it's the deepest. It lies the deepest within our ego.
Andrei from Moscow is